Hi for this. So as promised, here's the fried rice recipe. This particular fried rice recipe is so amazing, and I don't take your engagement, your follows, your likes for granted. Thank you very much. So we're going to start by frying some curry in some butter. I added my washed rice into a pot and I'll fry this for at least 1 minute. You add your water and chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can just use water. Added some onions, bay leaf, salt, and seasoning. Stir that very well. Cover and allow it to cook until it is well done. This is how it should look after. As you can see, my rice is well cooked and yeah, you are. So at this point, I'm going to fry my veggies. I started by adding some butter, vegetable oil, onions, and scotch bonnet. Fry that for a bit, and then I added my well seasoned cooked gizzard and some sausage. This is totally optional, as you can just omit this particular step, especially if you don't like sausage or you don't have gizzard. So I seasoned this a bit with some salt, seasoning, onion and garlic powder, and then I added my veggies. I used carrots, green peas, red and green bell peppers. Fry that for a bit, and then here I'm adding my cooked rice. Just fry this on high heat for some seconds and your fried rice is ready. This is how it looks after. Bye.